iPhones, right? Everybody loves iPhones, who doesn't? And iPhones got one of the most beautiful calculators that I've ever seen in my entire life. But there is one issue that apparently people can't seem to figure out. Here's why I'm here to tell you. My name is AD, and today I'm going to show you how to erase one digit in your iPhone's calculator. Let's go. So the first thing, in order to do this, you need to open your calculator in your iPhone, obviously. So after you open the calculator, you can see right over here that I've entered some multiple digits over here, and in order to cancel the last digit, I can't just do that by pressing any button over here, because if I press cancel, it's going to cancel all of the digits right over here. And if you want to cancel only one digit in your calculator, here's how you do it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to type some of the numbers over here, and you can see 32157, and I want to erase 7. So I'm not going to press the cancel button right now, but what I'm going to do is going to shock you. You need to swipe it sideways. So you see, the 7 is gone. And if I want to erase the 5, you need to swipe it again sideways. It doesn't matter which way you swipe. You can swipe it left or right, but it's going to cancel one digit. You see, I'm going to swipe right this time, 1. I'm going to swipe left this time, and it's going to go 2. And now 3. And that's how you do it, guys.